What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, home you y'all know how people say life be lifing, home ownership just be home ownershiping. Every time you turn around, there's something wrong in the house, you guys. There's something wrong. So be prepared if you are buying a house, doing home ownership, and all of that stuff. Just be prepared. Learn how to DIY because before you know it, you're going to be broke by paying plumbers and, well, not too much of electricians, but mainly plumbers because you're going to have a plumbing problem all the time. But in our situation, it's not really, I don't think it's a plumbing problem, but I don't have too much pressure coming out of my shower head. So I have it all the way on. And as y'all can see, we have issues, right? So we are going to go ahead, turn the water off. All right, you guys. So if we have that type of problem, the first thing you need to do is check and make sure you pay your water bill. I'm just kidding, you guys. All right. So check and make sure, look in your basement, look downstairs, make sure you don't have no pipes that, bust, or you don't have no water leaks going somewhere. Maybe water pressure is going out somewhere else, and reducing pressure here. But in our situation, we barely have pressure coming out of here. I checked my sinks over here. Everything has good water pressure. So I believe that something is wrong with this shower head. Maybe it's clogged up or something. I might have to clean the nipples. When I bought this at Lowe's, on the Lowe's video, they say you can just rub this and clean it. Don't believe them, you guys. Don't believe them on that. So I'm going to take it down, clean it, see what's going on, and then we will check to make sure and see what this blocking or where this blocking is coming from. I have loosened it up. I am turning it off. Well, twisting it off, lefty loosey. We are going to see what is our problem and why water is not coming out of this thing. Hopefully I don't have to buy a new one, but if I do, we're a product review channel. All right, so everything seems clear right there. Let's check here. And oh, there we go. It is clogged up. It looks like maybe leftover tape. So I'm gonna need to get some pliers or something. I might get like one of my wife's hairpins and try to poke that stuff out. Let me see. All right, you guys, I'm a one-handed bandit on y'all. So this is one of my wife's hair little clips things. And let's see what's going on. So this should be a filter. And this looks like it was tape. All that gunk, you guys. Yeah, that's tape. So maybe tape through all the hot water. Can I take this thing out? So I may need to put this under the sink and wash it. So that's what I'll do. Y'all give me a second so I can clean this properly. All right, you guys. So I'm going to put this under the sink, clean it out. I'm also going to clean out the nozzles too. I'm going to turn it around and just clean out the inside of the nipples. I'm going to use something maybe like the clip, like my wife's hair clip, if it fits through. Maybe a toothpick might fit through. I'll let y'all know. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. Maybe that's what all that white stuff is there. But the professionals can let everybody know though. All right, you guys, I can honestly say that that worked. Okay. Now I'm gonna look online to see if they have any other filters. Now y'all see that some of these holes are not coming through, but if you do clean it out with this hairpin, see, gotta clean it real good. And now I'm getting wet. Cleaned out a few of them already, but it's going to take a little time to get most of them cleaned out. So this is a weekend's job. I would probably say get something maybe a toothpick might be a little bit better because it's a little bit thicker. This is thin. No more tape on this one, you guys. It is what it is. I'm not putting no tape on that right now. You click it, you have different stuff to come out. So everything is still working good. It just need to be cleaned out a little bit more. And that's about it. So if your shower head clogs up or it stopped working, take it off and clean out the filter that goes right in there like y'all saw. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.